A quiet revolution has taken place, and it all started at Burnley Football Club. In January 2021, Burnley became the very first Premier League club to officially adopt an artificial intelligence talent identification platform for a global talent search. This wasn't just a minor data upgrade, it was a radical shift in how football discovers raw ability. The movement began when investment firm ALK Capital completed a takeover of Burnley FC, heavily backing a tech company called AI.io and its revolutionary mobile platform, aiSCOUT. The timing could not have been more critical. The COVID-19 pandemic had brought youth football, academy fixtures, and traditional talent spotting tournaments to a grinding halt across the UK. To solve the crisis of locked-down academies, Burnley launched the world's first open, public global talent search using artificial intelligence for players aged 14 and older. The system was designed to democratize scouting by putting the power entirely into the hands of the players, using tools they already owned. Aspiring players downloaded a free mobile app and set up their phone cameras to record specific athletic, cognitive, and technical drills, such as passing accuracy, speed, agility, and ball control in their own backyards, parks, or bedrooms. Behind the scenes, the platform's computer vision and deep learning algorithms went to work. They tracked body movements, joint positions, and performance metrics without needing expensive wearable tracking vests or marker suits. The AI processed the uploaded footage, scored the drills, and automatically matched the data against preset performance profiles. When a user met or exceeded specific thresholds, the system flagged them, directly alerting Burnley's human scouts. The real-world impact was immediate, proving that digital platforms could successfully transition players straight into professional environments. Take Jez Davies, for example. After being released by Tottenham Hotspur's academy, the young midfielder uploaded his data and reels to the platform. Burnley's staff reviewed the automated insights, brought him in, and quickly signed him to their Category 1 academy. The system also unlocked remote regions that were previously entirely invisible to English scouts, identifying talent in places like India where players used shared community smartphones to record their drills. Crucially, Burnley and the technology creators always emphasize that artificial intelligence does not replace human scouts. It makes them more efficient. Traditional scouts are limited by time and travel, typically evaluating a few thousand players a year. AI apps can process tens of thousands of global profiles simultaneously. However, software cannot measure a player's mentality, their resilience under pressure, or how they interact with teammates. Therefore, the AI acts as an initial filter, saving scouts countless hours and telling them who is actually worth watching, while human coaches still make the final judgment call. Following Burnley's pioneering move, the technology rapidly evolved from a club-specific experiment into a globally adopted platform used by major football organizations and international federations. Chelsea FC integrated the platform into their talent identification network, utilizing it for youth development and uncovering hidden talent like a player living on the remote island of Jersey, who used the app to secure a pathway into Chelsea's setup. Major League Soccer partnered with the technology to roll it out across North America, providing a free virtual trial mechanism to bypass the massive geographic hurdles of scouting across the United States and Canada. Other professional clubs such as Nottingham Forest and Olympiacos adopted the software to screen grassroots data pools globally without inflating their operational budgets. The framework even began expanding past football entirely, branching into sports like tennis and professional cycling. For smaller nations and lower-budget football associations, this technology is a complete game-changer. Limited financial resources and small domestic talent pools traditionally restricted federations from maintaining global scouting networks. AI-driven smartphone apps and video upload platforms bypass these geographical and financial barriers. Aspiring players from remote regions, local amateur clubs, or international diaspora communities can record and upload standardized performance drills directly to cloud databases. Algorithms then process these digital submissions instantly, allowing resource-poor federations to cast a worldwide net and ensure elite potential is never overlooked simply because it exists outside mainstream football infrastructure. Furthermore, connecting AI scouting tools to performance analysis and coaching software creates a continuous loop of player development. Once an undiscovered talent is flagged by a scouting platform, their movement metrics, physical output, and tactical tendencies can be funneled directly into coaching systems. Artificial intelligence generates automated breakdowns, highlighting a player's specific technical strengths and deficiencies. National team coaches and academy directors can then use this data to instantly generate bespoke training schedules, tailored fitness regimes, and position-specific development drills, ensuring that raw prospects identified anywhere on Earth receive elite, data-backed guidance to accelerate their professional maturation. What started as an innovative idea by Burnley Football Club during a global crisis has permanently altered the landscape of sports. It proved that the next world-class footballer could come from anywhere on the planet, and their journey to the top might just begin with a simple smartphone recording. Like and subscribe for more news on your favorite football tournaments.